Having embraced his destiny as leader of the Autobots, Optimus Prime leads a small band of Autobots to save the core of Cybertron itself from the clutches of Megatron. But to do so, they must first rescue the mightiest Autobot guardian ever created, Omega Supreme.
Keep up? Great! The Decepticons are locking down! I can bring this kid, Optimus.
You're about to find out.
Kablam! Yeah! Now that's an entrance! Dial it down a notch, kid. I've only got one setting, old-timer! Kablam!
We're a team, Warpath. Let's focus on finding Omega Supreme. Omega Supreme? What have they done to you?
They're torturing the poor fella.
Ratchet, this is Optimus. We've located Omega Supreme. Can you access the terminal here remotely and find a way to free him?
Negative, Optimus. The system is too well protected to hack. But if you can find a way to weaken their power grid, I might be able to get in.
Nice. Got a good weight to it.
There! Blast the power cells!
I get to shoot more stuff! Score!
That did it. I'm in. The whole facility's in lockdown mode. Guess they know you're there, huh?
Wonder how that happened.
I'll punch up a holomap. There. First thing you need to do is hack the main security console. That'll cancel the lockdown.
We've got company.
And Warpath, watch how a pro deals with these freaks. Sure thing, old-timer. Just tell me when the pro shows up. Look at mine falling down. Keep dreaming, Grandpa. I'm 2 up on you. Try not to trip over your ego, Warpath. Watch out! They're coming in! Sweet! Overshield!
Be careful, Warpath. It may be a trap. Be aware. We've got cloakers nearby.
Ironhide 1, Decepticon 0. Look who's the big shot! Don't say it!
security console just ahead.
Wow! Look at all the hardware in here. It takes all of this just to keep Omega locked up?
He's one of the toughest Autobots that ever lived, kid. You bet it takes all this.
Great work. Just one more to go.
Go now!
Autobots, surrender immediately or be destroyed.
Retreat now!
Could use ammo right there.
Just hold on! I'll be right with you! Prepare to die, Autobot! You keep pulling the trigger, they'll keep falling down! Spectrum missiles away!
You needed that extra ventilation, right?
Time to get loud!
Alert! Alert! Omega Restraint 2 is now offline. Prisoner designate Omega Supreme is unsecured.
Liberated. That's it. Let's get in there and help him out.
Give this thing a little time to cool down! Watch out! They're coming in!
Systems powering up.
Autobots, defend Omega Supreme while he recovers.
Pulling weapons! Shoot him full of holes!
New leader Optimus Prime identified. Omega Supreme. Grateful.
We're glad you're free, Omega Supreme. But I need you to open the Omega Gate immediately.
Systems weak. Repairs required.
Ratchet, do you copy? I need you here. Double time.
I'm on my way, Optimus, but it'll take me a few cycles to reach you.
Alert. Inbound Decepticons. Defensive perimeter advisable.
Good. I'm itching to blast somebody.
Now you're speaking my language, Ironhide!
I'm thrilled.
You heard him, Autobots. Get these defenses online.
Energon. We can restore ourselves here.
us.
Keep those Decepticons off me while I patch him up, would you?
Omega Gate sequence initiating. Sequence 25% complete.
Is that it? We won?
They won't give up that easily. Reload and power up before they come back.
Omega Gate sequence 50% complete.
All right, I've repaired Omega's vitals, but he still needs more work before he can finish opening the Omega Gate.
Heads up, Autobots. Snipers. Autobots, I can't work when I'm getting shot at. Autobots, I can't work when I'm getting shot at. I'm getting shot to pieces here! Not a bad throw! Grenade! My weapon seems too long! Autobots, I can't work when I'm getting shot at. Holding weapon. Autobots, take cover. Heavy weapons squad approaching.
Another rocket coming in!
Optimus, my systems are critical. I need assistance. Hey, guys, I'm getting shot to pieces here!
Open wide and say ah!
gear up again. There'll be more coming.
Open wide and say
Ratchet, we can't keep this up forever. What's your status?
I've got Omega's primary capacitors restored, but I still need more time.
Keep working, Ratchet, but be aware. It looks as though the next wave is coming from the sky.
Ironhide 1, Decepticon 0.
Omega Gate sequence, 75% complete.
Optimus! My systems are critical. I need assistance. Here they come!
Keep this up forever. What's your status?
I've got Omega's primary capacitors restored, but I still need more time.
Keep working, Ratchet, but be aware. It looks as though the next wave is coming from the sky.
sequence 75% complete.
Open wide and say ah! You needed that extra ventilation, right?
Charge.
Hey, guys, I'm getting shot to pieces here!
Brace yourselves, Autobots.
Keep those cons off me!
Big buddy! Optimus! My systems are critical! I need assistance! I sent my gun to perforate! What's the big idea?
Omega gate sequence complete. Core entrance available.
Autobots, Omega is nearly battle ready. Hold that destroyer off just a little longer.
You heard him. Dig in.
Open wide and say ah! Almost there. Just need a little more time. This'll help out for sure.
Omega free. Omega smash.
I'll need to complete Omega's repairs at headquarters.
Thanks, Ratchet. We'll continue to the core without you. Keep your optics sharp, Autobots. The High Council told me about the corruptive properties of Dark Energon. The closer we get to the core, the more dangerous and unstable Cybertron may appear. The core rests at the very center of Cybertron. We'll have to jump this to continue.
Yeah! I'm ready!
Of course you are. Let's get it over with. I can do some good with this.
The corruption is spreading more quickly than I had imagined.
Optimus, this growth is really unstable. Watch those spikes. They look like they'd hurt a lot.
What are those things?
What's the matter, kid? You never seen a space slug before?
They're a part of Cybertron's natural defenses. They'll eat away at the Dark Energon's corruption.
The corruption sealed us in! We're stuck!
Let me give it a try.
Something's not right.
What is it, Ironhide?
I don't know yet. But be ready. Something's coming.
Get to Autobots! Bring it on, you rolling junk pile!
You needed that extra ventilation, right?
Now we're stuck and stuck! That stuff is tough!
My axe can't cut through this much corruption. For now, we have other matters to deal with.
Weapon's too hot! Spray it! Don't say it! You got some nerve there! Just a creep! Pull down the plate!
Watch out!
Nitty bomb. What was that?
That's the universal greeting.
I don't think it worked.
We have nothing to fear, Autobots. The slugs will count us as friends.
That'll hold me for a while. hear that sound? What is that?
Whoa! Those look like turrets on their backs!
I think they want us to ride them. They can sense we're here to help.
My sentiments exactly.
It makes sense for Megatron to have the core so heavily protected. It's his most valuable asset.
How could I not see it?
Autobots, report your positions. Where are you?
I have no clue where I am.
I don't see either of you. Or the slug I was riding.
We need to regroup. Move forward and stay in contact. Ironhide, I can see you from my platform.
Optimus, there's a release gate blocking the way.
Hold on. I see a switch that might help.
Optimus, I've got the drop on a squad of Decepticons. I'm gonna take him out!
Wait, no! Why does he always do that?
Ironhide, I've encountered another floodgate. Do you see a control panel nearby?
There you go.
Now, let's find Warpath.
Next time, wait for us.
We see you, Warpath, but we can't reach you. We'll try to find a way around. Warpath, we're at the shore of an Energon River, but have no way of crossing it.
Hang on! I think I'm at the control station for that area.
That did it. Keep them coming.
Yeah, and thanks for not shooting the control panels first.
Ironhide, I'm beginning to think you're jealous of my fine aim.
I can't be jealous of something you don't have.
Good work, Warpath. Autobots, report your positions. Where are you?
I have no clue where I am.
I don't see either of you. Or the slug I was riding.
We need to regroup. Move forward and stay in contact. Ironhide, I can see you from my platform.
There's a release gate blocking the way.
Hold on. I see a switch that might help.
It worked.
Ironhide, I've encountered another floodgate. Do you see a control panel nearby?
Optimus, I've got the drop on a squad of Decepticons. I'm gonna take him out! Wait, no!
Let's find Warpath.
Next time, wait for us.
We see you, Warpath, but we can't reach you. We'll try to find a way around. Warpath, we're at the shore of an Energon River, but have no way of crossing it.
Hang on! I think I'm at the control station for that area.
That did it. Keep them coming.
Yeah, and thanks for not shooting the control panels first.
Ironhide, I'm beginning to think you're jealous of my fine aim.
I can't be jealous of something you don't have.
Good work, Warpath. We're across now. It's leaving a trail of corruption wherever it goes.
Decepticons inbound!
Ironhide 1, Decepticon 0.
last of those floodgates open.
Hi, guys! Welcome back!
That felt pretty good.
Look, that's the outer shell of Cybertron's core.
Wow!
Doesn't look good, Optimus. The whole shell's been corrupted. You all right, Optimus?
These are sacred grounds, Ironhide. The core provides energon and life to all of Cybertron. It pains me to see it defiled this way.
Optimus, this whole area is unstable. We need to move carefully, especially you, Warpath.
What? I can be careful! You be careful!
The entrance to the core lies just ahead.
Okay, now what? I don't see any way across. What about that up there? Then we can blast that thing and bring it down.
Good. There's no telling what we'll find in there. Gear up for anything.
Not bad. Not bad at all. By the way, Optimus, it's nice to see you step up and be the leader I always knew you could be. What took so long?
That is a story for another time.
I can feel the raw energy from here! Ugh!
Dark Energon is everywhere.
Don't waste any more time. We need to destroy the corruption and...
Look out! It's that thing that's been following us!
It's feeding off the core's Dark Energon. Autobots, take it out!
Stay away from those spikes! Blast your way through! My shots are just bouncing off it! How is that possible?
This isn't working! We need to find a weak point!
Its armor is too thick.
Blast your way through! Watch out for those claws! They're getting nasty!
Everything you've got.
It's running scared!
I don't think so, kid.
All these Decepticons, and you shoot me! Blast your way through!
Give it everything you've got.
We must have hurt it.
Then keep hurting it.
Watch out for those claws! They're pretty nasty!
Give it everything you've got. We did it. Nice job, Autobots.
Optimus Prime, you have delivered me from the foul influence of Dark Energon, but I am afraid my spark is corrupted.
We're too late.
I can survive if I shut down my systems completely. But the process will take millions of years, during which Cybertron will be left cold and barren.
We must leave our home if we are to survive.
The line of crimes has failed, yet hope still remains. I offer a portion of my spark to take with you to the stars. For as long as it survives, so shall I. Will you accept this responsibility, Optimus Prime?
I will.
Behold, the Matrix of Leadership. Cybertron recognizes and welcomes Optimus Prime, Keeper of the Matrix, leader of the free Autobots.